If I told you their website that actually pay you every single hour, would you believe me? For the last 7 days, I tested 5 platforms that promised fast payouts, hourly earnings, and simple tasks anyone can do from a phone or a laptop and also anywhere you the world. So you can go ahead and register and sign up on all these platforms right here, and you can start to make money and you get paid directly to your either crypto accounts or your PayPal account. You get paid directly as soon as you completed your task. So right here on my screen, as you can see, different people from different country actually completing the task and also going ahead to apply for withdrawal to their crypto. So for you to know more about how you can make money, you want to make your first $100, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also go ahead and watch my previous video. So I'll be going ahead to the first platform which I'll be talking about, Timebox. So Timebox has been on is a website that pay people for doing small tasks like surveys, watching videos, downloading application, and completing offers. So I started this one because it has been around for years. Yes, it has been around over 10 years that has been paying people. So I start using this one as this has been online and have a legacy, a proof, and also they are legit. You can go over and also check up their reviews on their page. So you can go ahead here and also check their proof. But let me show you what this website is actually that when you log in, you will notice there are different tax categories, either survey, offer, TikTok tasks, capture typing is a very long list that you can start earning instantly. And they also pay you for referral program where you can just go ahead and copy your link and you refer either your friend, your family, or go online and also refer your fans so they can go ahead and earn money from their referral program. So it's very easy. What you can just do, go ahead and do the two survey, one TikTok follow task, one app application, one time box slideshow ad view. So right here is their payment proof on their page where people actually post a screenshot of their payments below. As you can see right here, over 47,000 comments already of people posting up their payment proof on this platform, and this is a proof that this actually works. So just go ahead and click on continue with Google, input your email address, then you are ready to start to make money with Timebox. As you can see right here, Timebox, this is how the dashboard look like. As it first you when you sign up on this platform, they give you a free money which is $0.30, and this is actually very small, but within a week you can actually earn more than $5 to $10 on this platform. And I will show you how this works out. As you can see right here, this is a weekly checklist. Once you are able to earn up to $10 by end of the week, you actually have each bonus. So this is your referral link by the left side where you can actually just copy the link and give it out to your fans, give it out to your friend. So you want to start a survey also, you can actually see the survey down below the referral link where you can actually go ahead and view more surveys that you can complete. So right here are the recent tasks that people have been completed. As you can see, these are tasks that people are still doing. So for you to know, this page is still active for you who is looking for how you can make your first $1 online. So this is a perfect website for you to go ahead and register yourself and start making money that you can withdraw directly to your crypto wallets. So it's very simple. Complete task, just go ahead, do two survey and do a follow-up task, application install, then you make money just by doing this. So right here, I'll be going over to the second website that can actually make you money and get paid directly to your bank accounts. So what website do you think we are going to talk about next? Let's watch out and make sure at this point you're already a subscriber, as I'll be mentioning different platforms that you people do not know that can make you over $100 in a month. So right here, the second website is called Sproutgigs. So on this Sproutgigs is actually where people go to hire real people for any task. Yes, you have a skill. You want someone to help you with any of these skill, whether digital marketing, digital writing, graphic design, and you are also a freelancer who also have a skill. So this right here is a perfect for either the hirer and also the freelancer. So you want to hire someone, you come over here, and as a freelancer, you come over here to also apply for gigs. So how do you apply for gigs? And right here are already pages of proof of that this website actually pay a freelancer who completed their task. So what you need, small gigs, big pay. You don't have to do too much on this platform for you to start get paid. You can just go ahead and do a follow, a Twitter page, comment on a YouTube video, sign up on a free website, install an application, join a Telegram page, and you're already getting you're already getting pay on this platform. It's as simple as that, as people are getting thousands of dollars just by doing this simple task. And what I love about this platform is that whenever you apply for a job, the job approval speed is very easy. So they will approve your job, and once you follow the instruction, the employer approve your task within an hour or sometimes within a minute. And once you complete your task, when I was working on this platform right here, I earned over $11 in 24 hours just by me going ahead and doing simple a follow-up task, download the application, and so what you need just for you to click on the sign up page. So you sign up as a freelancer if you are here to make money, which I know this is the reason why we are actually watching this video. Fill up the details right here and sign up and go ahead and start to make money on this platform. It's as simple as that. It's just for, and this is actually the second website I'm talking about in this video. So I'll go ahead now and talk about the third website. So this third website is actually the most high earning platform. Yes, this platform actually pays you in dollars. So once someone pays you in dollars, and this actually have a limited space that you can work with. So you get it directly to your PayPal account. Each task here actually have a high earning. A follow task here is higher. The earning on your follow task is higher than the previous website I've actually talked about. So go ahead and register on this platform. And this platform actually will give you more money than the other one. So you can go ahead and do audio transcription, content moderation, AI training tasks. So these are very easy things that you can go ahead and do. Click on the sign up page, register with your email address, then you can start to earn. So this website right here have a limited space that you can run. You can run this on VPN. Yes, you can run this. So the last website I'll be talking about is freecash. Yes, this is the fourth website, but it's also the last website, as I will be talking about the fifth website in the comment section. So I will know who actually follow me up on this. I will list it up on the screen. So the fourth one is freecash. So freecash is actually very popular. We all know people have made thousands of dollars. I've also earned over $100 on this platform. And right here are me having a chance to even make over $700 at once just by me going ahead and complete this task on my screen. So for someone who is hearing free cash for the first time, go ahead and register this and you can get paid directly to your PayPal account. So the first task here right here will actually give me over $700 if I'm able to complete it. So for you to see how fast you can earn that $1,000 is just by you coming over on this platform right here and also earn. So for someone who has watched this video to this end, thank you so much. And right here are the four platforms that you can earn money, and the fifth one will be actually be showed on my screen and also in the comment section and the description. So guys, thank you for watching. I will show you guys more videos on how you can make money online. Make sure you stick up to my channel, and I'll be showing you the legit way that you can go ahead sign up for free with no payment, then you get paid directly to your bank account. So guys, thank you for watching.